What's going on YouTube? 6'5" Rider here, and in today's demo ride we're doing the Road Glide Limited CVO with the 120th edition. It's the a lot of people made fun of it, said it's the Harley Davidson Goldwing just because of that color scheme, but I don't know what these people are talking about because it looks good to me. Yep, so it's a CVO Road Glide Limited Anniversary Edition. The weight, 963 pounds. Holy moly. I'm excited to ride this thing, to be honest. It's got suede on the seat, suede on the backrest over here.
About $50,000?
$51,000.
Wow, look at that shit.
Sheesh. 51,900. It's got the trunk.
Oh, yeah.
Can fit a full,
Two helmets.
probably fit a helmet in there, right?
No, two helmets. I got two helmets in mine.
Wow. Never ridden one of these limiteds, and today we're actually on a CVO limited. Oh, this thing is amazing. Wow, I am so comfortable right now. Holy moly. It is heavy though, 963 pounds. All right, let's do it. Ooh, found this big boy. This is unreal. Oh my god, you guys, I am so freaking comfortable right now. I just wish these bars were up forward, but I mean, that's all freaking Road Glides. But this is amazing, you guys. Look at this. I love how motorcycles, like, no matter how heavy it is, once you get going, it's no longer that heavy anymore. So where do we start? Let's start with controls. You know, standard Harley controls. You got your right and left turn signals on either side of the bars. You got your kill switch right here. You got your brake and clutch. Brake on the right side, clutch on the left side, obviously. Over here you got your cruise control. You got a way to control your radio here. If you hit it, go to home. And that's also a touch screen. It's interestingly a little shaky compared to like the newer Harleys. Anyway, you got some compartments over here. You got one right there with a USB plug. You got one right there. You can put your phone, any other things that you're hauling with you. You got a trunk in the back and two massive saddlebags. Let's see. Fuel capacity, you got a 6-gallon tank on this thing. And this one right here is number 11 out of 1500. I always thought these big bikes were dumb, to be honest. But boy, do I want to go on a trip on this. Look at that, bro. Look at the way I'm sitting. And I have a freaking backrest. I am chilling. I can literally spend all day on this bike and I would not be tired one bit. My god. Like, I always felt it, you know, whenever I've seen people with these limiteds, it's like, oh man, those look so ugly. Right? It's like, you always think about it, you're like, oh, it's a grandpa bike. But actually, no, bro. I'd rather be on this grandpa bike that feels like a Cadillac. Look at this. I am hanging out over here. And then you take in the turn, feels great. And it's got a 117, so it's got all that power on it, man. That feels really good, you guys. And suspension feels like you're, honestly, it's not that bad. So interestingly, I'm getting a little bit of wind, but it's not as bad as it was on the Lowrider ST. And I believe that's probably because the tall windshield. If I were riding this, or if I were to get this bike, I'd definitely get a taller windshield, maybe another 3 inches. This looks to be like an 8 to 10 inch windshield. This bike is everything. It has heated grips right there. It's got, I believe, a heated seat, but I need to make sure. And it just feels so good. And if you have your old lady in the back too, she's gonna be comfortable as well. You don't have to worry about her either. I would definitely need to change these bars though, because these are so uncomfortable. Like, my hand is sitting down here the whole time. I don't like that. With me being 6'5", 34-inch inseam, I don't feel that cramped on this bike. And guess what? If I do, I'm gonna put my leg over there on the highway pegs, and I'm gonna feel all right. But going back to the handlebar, I'd like the handlebar to be up here to be more comfortable. But even this, like coming to a stop, putting one foot down, right? And it's not that heavy. It's not that heavy for a guy like me. I mean, I like it. I like it. This backrest is amazing. So obviously comes standard with cruise control, which is perfect if you're doing, you know, all-day rides. So MSRP starting at $51,999. I mean, hey, that's a lot of money. That's almost as much as my Ram, my 2022 Ram 1500. But hey, if you got the money, might as well spend it, right? It's quick, bro. It's quick. Alright, we're gonna try the cruise control right now. We're cruising, buddy. I'm telling you, bro, like, I'm sorry, but I can literally do this all day. Just chilling here. Look at both hands over here. Me just hanging out. The wind's not that bad. I'm going 60 miles an hour. I'm getting some buffeting on my head, but it's not that bad. It could be worse, you know, compared to like my bike or something, my 2020 Street Bob. But otherwise, I mean, this feels great, you guys. This feels really good. I like it a lot. I never thought I would say that I am liking a Road Glide Limited, right? Like I said, look at it. Look at the way it looks. But who cares about the way it looks if it's gonna allow you to ride all day, do 700-800 mile days, like without feeling it at all. My God, I love this. We're turning right over here. Plus, like, it's crazy, like how I mentioned earlier about, you know, the weight of the bike. It's so nimble, right? Like, it's so nimble. So the weight doesn't really matter. Only matters when you're coming to a stop like this, or if you're like trying to walk it. I mean, that's when it matters. Otherwise, I mean, no, bro. Look at me, I'm just chilling with my backrest over here. Oh my God. I always used to say the Pan America is the most comfortable Harley, and that's probably because I haven't ridden a Limited. Yeah. So it's got a heel shifter as well, for convenience also. But these foot pegs, like highway bars, dude, look at that. Alright, let's go. the first gear all the way up to 40 miles an hour, bro. That's not bad. And then I'm putting my feet up here. Look at this. I'm relaxing right now. I am so fucking chill right now. Oh my god. I can do this all day, bro. So yeah, that's kind of what I wanted to do with this review, like just to give you guys that first person feel on how I personally feel about this bike. And dude, I am so glad I rode it. I was about to ride the Pan America and then some dude signed up for it. And I was like, alright, fine, I'll do it the next ride. I was a little disappointed, but I'm not anymore. I'm so glad I actually got on this bike. I'm so glad I got on this bike because this bike feels so good. Let's see this turn. Look how nimble this is. So nimble, bro. Look at that. So nimble for a 900-pound bike. Oh my god. I would ride this all day. All freaking day, bro. See how fast that tachometer goes? Alright, let me list out really quickly the things I don't like about this bike. It's heavy. Again, heavy only when you're stationary, not when you're going, because again, look at this. Look at this. I mean, it's not that bad. That's one. The weight. But the weight is also a good thing because like it's stable, right? And then the other thing is obviously the price. $51,999. That's a lot of money. And you know, like I said, if you have the money, go ahead and spend it. If you don't, just you know, dream about this bike. Well, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you as always. I hope you liked this review and this video. If you did, please go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And you know, I will see you all on the next ride. Peace.